Okay, here I am. Look. Ladies and gentlemen, the Jeffrey Walker.
Wow.
The Guy Pearce and Teresa Palmer. Miranda. Oh, there she is.
Today's show, viewers, I'm here at the global premiere of The Clearing. As you can see behind me, they are about to hit the carpet. Stay tuned on our social channels because you might see your favourite Aussie actor.
Lovely, final few. Now I'm going to give it to Don. Here we go.
Look, Harry! Give us a look, Harry!
What were your favourite parts of filming this show?
Probably my favourite part was actually the scary parts.
No! Why?
Because
Why the scary parts?
it took ages rehearsing, but when we actually did it, we would do the scary scene, but then we would go, it's sort of funny that we're friends off scene, but on scene, we are absolute enemies.
Eerie, sophisticated, intriguing.
Is that what we're in for?
Yes, I believe so, but I haven't seen it yet.
Ooh. 3 words. That's it. Ooh, 3 words. No way.
I like that. I like that.
Fabulous. Boss me more. I love it. I love being bossed around. No, she was so great. I'm so proud of everything that she's done. And she worked so seamlessly with Jeffrey, our setup director. And it was just a lot of fun to work together. We spent weekends talking about the sort of things that, you know, she wanted to do and the setuping of the shots and everything. So when we came to work, it was like a breeze.
Now, I swear you've done this before. Show us to the camera how you were posing for the paps. Oh, I love it. She's already got it down pat.
I believe I go to school tomorrow.
You have to go to school tomorrow? What about you?
Unfortunately, yes.
Oh,
Phil, who's doing stunts and all this amazing female cast, and was like, I have to take a photo of this. And then, of course, I didn't get to because that's the way of sets. But yeah, awesome.
Did you enjoy this video? Let us know in the comments what you think about this. Check out these other topics from Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment, then be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified for our latest video.